what's happening? It's your man OG Bo Beats TV. Coming to you today with another special video. What's good? What's happening YouTube? It's your man OG Bo Beats. And I'm back with another video today. Today is November, what? 7th? 8th? I think it's the 8th. It's a Monday. I was supposed to drop this video for you, I think last week. I got busy. And so it is what it is, but I'm gonna drop it today. We're gonna talk about what's coming out for the rest of this month, my thoughts on them, and a little bit of more information in the sneaker world. So, but before we do that, please make sure if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, like the video. You can share the video, leave a comment. You know I reply to all comments. Hey man, I'm OG Bo Beats, and let's just get right into it, all right? All right, boom, so check it out. Let's get right into it, man. We ain't gonna waste no time today. Hope everybody having a great day today. So first thing I wanna say before we get into what's coming out this month, I wanna say that I got notification, I think yesterday on Twitter, and if you don't, please make sure you follow my Twitter page because I always retweet all the good inside information I get. But I got information on Twitter that it's gonna be a shock drop for the Air Jordan 11 Cool Grays that's possibly going to happen actually today. If not today, I would definitely say be on the lookout for the rest of this week. Now, as we know, almost every year, it's a shock drop the month before that the shoes are actually going to drop. So last year it happened. I'm pretty sure the year before it happened. You know, every year, December, Nike will drop another pair of Air Jordan 11 patent leather. Last year was the Breads. The year before that, it was the Concord. So just be on the lookout today. It may happen today. So I'm gonna try to upload this video as soon as I'm done with it before the shock drop possibly happen. Could happen right at 10 o'clock on the Sneakers app. I would also make sure you check for exclusive access in case they're doing it like that. It may be a draw. I don't know what's happening, but I got word that it could happen. So if it doesn't happen today and you see this video, just be on the lookout. Air Jordan 11 Cool Gray, hot commodity. I'm definitely hoping I get a pair. If not, they're supposed to release next month, December 11th. So just a side note. So now let's get into the meat and potatoes of why we're here today. So the month of November, like I said, we already a week gone. So I want to get into it because there's some dope shoes coming out this week that you may want to know about and keep on your radar. So on the 11th of November, the first shoe I'm gonna talk about is the Air Jordan 13 Low Barely Green, all right, or AKA Singles Day shoe. So those shoes are supposed to retail for $200, come out on November 11th. It's an Air Jordan 13 Low. I don't think I have any 13 Lows now. I might have had some before. And the shoe has got this like barely green color, so it's like it's a black midsole. And then on the upper of the shoe is like this barely green color, which is like a off-white with a hint of green color. And it's like a glow-in-the-dark shoe, supposedly. And then once it glows in the dark, it's supposed to have some type of Air Jordan, I think, theme with a number or something like that. So be on the lookout for those. I'll probably pass on those. But if you like it, I love it. So yeah, check those out. So also on November 11th, or actually the next day on the 12th, the Air Jordan 2 Low Off-White are dropping. So you got two different pair dropping. You got the all white with the red pair, and then you got an all black pair that have a little bit of a blue in them. So as we know, Air Jordan 2s don't drop a lot. It's one of the least favorite of the retros from what I can tell. I do have a couple pair of Air Jordan 2s, so I'm not gonna say I hate them, but these shoes are gonna be a high commodity simply because they're off-white and the lows look kind of nice too. So those shoes are going for $250 retail, so you already know what it is. So hey, go ahead and try your luck. Those will be dropping on the Sneakers app, as well as the ones I just talked about previously. So, you know, good luck on those if you're trying to get them. So the next day, November 13th, which should be next Saturday, the Air Jordan 12 royalties are dropping. So those are gonna retail for $190. So I'm a big fan of Air Jordan 12s, and this is one of those shoes that I would like to have for sure. It's basically Air Jordan 12 with a white upper and a black midsole and outsole. So, and then it's got that hint of gold, that little plate of gold where they usually have that plate on the Air Jordan 12. So it's a dope shoe. You like black and white shoes. It's a very wearable shoe. So I will be trying to go for those, but it is what it is. All right. So if you're looking for those, also they should be dropping on sneakers. So moving along, we have on November 20th, so Nike Dunk High and a Supreme collab by any means will be dropping, retail for $150. I'm pretty sure they're gonna drop on the Supreme website. I'm not sure if I've seen them on the sneakers app yet, but I gotta go check. But I think it's a cool looking shoe. You know, it's gonna be one of those hard to get shoes because it's a Supreme collab and a Dunk collab. So SB Dunk that is too. So, you know, be on the lookout for those if you like Supreme, if you like Dunks. Also on that same day, Adidas Yeezy 500 dropping the ash gray colorway. I'm a big fan of Adidas Yeezy 350 500s. I even like the 700s a little bit too, but these 500s look cool, you know what I'm saying? So if you into the Yeezy thing, those will be dropping. And then that same day as well, Air Jordan 1 High OG Bordeaux are dropping. So this is a very dope shoe. I love the Bordeaux colorway. I just did a video with the Air Jordan 6 Bordeaux. And then I used to have the Air Jordan 12 Bordeaux. I've talked about it before, but they got stolen out of my car. So this is a dope shoe. I like the colorway. Air Jordan 1 High is a hard shoe to get. So be on the lookout for those. If you're interested, retail will be $170 on those. And then coming up right after Thanksgiving, I think this is a Black Friday shoe. I'm not sure unless it's that Saturday after Thanksgiving, but you have the Air Jordan 11 Women's Animal Instinct. Now, when I first saw this shoe circulating, I was like, what the, you know, it's definitely an acquired taste. I love the Animal Instinct. I got the Animal Instinct 3s. And I would have got the 2.0s, but I just was never able to get my hands on them. But these right here are strictly, I think, what is that, the zebra print on these. So yeah, I don't know. It's a women's shoe, so therefore I'm not even gonna really, you know, even worry about it. But if you're into that, if you know somebody that like that type of thing, those will be retailing for $225, and they should be dropping on the sneakers app as well. All right, so. And then last but not least, you got Air Jordan 3 Camo dropping on 29 November for a retail of $200. Now, just by looking at this shoe, I'm gonna probably pass on that shoe. I do remember the Air Jordan 10 Camos. I was a big fan of those. Well, not initially, but I ended up wanting to get me a pair. I used to see them sitting on the shelves for sale, and I just never got them, and then boom, they were gone, and now you can't get them, and now the price is jacked up. So I learned my lesson on that. But these right here, I'm not sure about these. I maybe have to see them in hand to see if I can really get a feel for them. But what I see on the pictures, I'm not a huge fan, so I probably won't be going for those. All right, so for me, the big thing this month is those Air Jordan 2 Low Off-Whites. I definitely want to try to get a pair of those. And then those Air Jordan 12 Royalties would be nice. If I can hit on this shock drop today for the Cool Grade 11s, that would be cool too, because, you know, I have looked up a few times and hit on some shock drops, and one got a few early access. Not really been a big fan of the draw on the sneakers app, but it is what it is. So that's all I got for right now. I just wanted to hit y'all with a quick little video, give y'all some information. You see I got my Valid Kicks sweater on today, Valid Kicks out of Racine, Wisconsin. Please go to the Instagram page and check them out. Got on my red Chicago Bulls hat. It's Monday, November 8th. And yeah, that's all I got. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Like the video, share the video, leave a comment. You know I reply to all comments, and I'm OG Bo Beats. Hope y'all have a blessed rest of the day, and I'm out.